Now, when you're working with org mode, you will reach a point where your org file will become really huge. Now, normally in org mode, you will have mainly task or different headings, for example, like you may have this is a heading. So this is of course just one example, and under a heading you can have maybe a subheading, which is another task in a tree. This is another task, maybe one more, and you can maybe create one more heading. Now, when you are doing your task, you can definitely just change the status like this. When you press shift arrow, it is done. Now you can have like plenty of items that are done in your org file, and from time to time you may want to get rid of them because they are in your file and they will consume space. It will probably also be a bit distracting because you don't really want to bother yourself with these 50 or 500 done items. But in org mode there is a way. If you press Ctrl C, Ctrl X, Ctrl A, so let me do that quickly, and you have to do it for a specific task. So while I'm here, another heading, so I can press Ctrl C, Ctrl X, and Ctrl A. So basically it is a way to archive your task. Now what will happen, it will basically move this particular activity from this file, this org file, to a file called .org_archive. So basically there is a file that will contain all these archived activities, tasks that you may have in your file, and you want to of course get rid of them, but you of course don't really want to delete them, you want to move them somewhere. So these are moved to your archive, so you can always go there. It is nothing but a text file that you can always open in your directory, your org mode directory. And this is what I do, and I think you should also be doing. In case you're new to Emacs, in case you're new to org mode, especially org mode, and you want to, and maybe you are wondering what to do with my old files, or my old, not really files, but my old tasks that are all the old done tasks that are no longer required to be there in the file. You can move them, you can archive them. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.